Kaseng Riboy Area Welfare Association lane gabala jutip kum kaseng Rawa haka jingitrilang bat ka Dual Mission Society haka singi balang jong tayo kata haka arpoi tere kubanai nailur arjar arpar kala laban pli sendan ya Shlem jing Hikai kumno bantip bat ban penun kam ya kor komputer kaba omdan kam pansiu AA na kabanta kibawan pule hakne Shlem jing Hikai komputer. Ya kene keceka jing Hikai komputer lebu hasen Michael Institute of Vocational Skill Development Training kebetulan Umsning. Kum kedak jong kejing pli pajba ya kene keceka jing Hikai komputer Umsning la penlong ya kejing yelang kebak kerpang ha kebalawan ban sakhi bat pli perda dau santanu bor kohain ubri director jong National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology Shillong lene kebala jutip kum kan nilin nang ta ha kejing lang jong Father Pios Shadam ubri director jong Dual Mission Society upastor PS Tumung ubri vice principal ke Riboy Synod College nang tai kong bala kentiu umba ibri president jong seng Riboy Area Welfare Association uba kenjo lang rangtong ubdi finance secretary keseng Rawa kentup ki kendai pengut ki kena ki bala penrung kerteng nyilade banwan sya Hikai hakane ke Shlem jing Hikai komputer bat kiwe ki nong jing kiran hakane ke sengi gilong baga komputer hakane ke sengi kalong gawai ne gitup jing nang jing start kapadon kap me hadu kata-kata bat lengba jing don jing nang jing tip sepang kane ke kor kan suk shibun ban yo kam yo jam bat ban tre kam tre jam.
Particular training program, it is free of cost. Now some are free of cost to SC and STs. This training program is free of cost to all, whether it is SC, ST, General, OBC, etc. Okay. Now I have been listening to Father Shadab, the speech that he was saying that you should go forward, not just restrict yourself to this course. Now I would like to tell you, in Nilet Shillong also we have got many courses which are free of cost to SC, STs. Now there are some courses which have this O-level course. O-level course is a diploma course. A-level course is an advanced diploma course. So these are also courses which are recognized by the AICTE and these are also job-oriented courses. Now actually, as I was saying, we had established ourselves in Shillong since 2010. And one of our objectives is also to reach out to different parts of the state to deliver training in outreach mode. So we are thankful to Rawa and Dual Mission Society that we have got an opportunity to come to Riboy district and start activities. So another thing I would like to tell you about Nilit is that we have been given land near in Mount India. So once a building is set up, we will be becoming a deemed university. And after that, we are likely to become a digital university. Now, what is the meaning of digital university? Digital university means there will be one university across the country. The classes will be taken in blended mode. That means some classes will be taken physically by teachers, some will be taken online, and you can also get admitted to this. And another thing about Nilit is that now I was talking about the O-level courses, A-level courses. So these are not restricted to say science graduates. Science graduates, in fact for O-level you just need to be 10+2. Okay. Science graduates, commerce graduates, arts graduates, anybody can enroll in these courses. Okay. And as I said, these are recognized by these are Government of India courses, and once you clear these exams, that means you clear an All India exam. Okay. So I wish that after this course, you should think of doing further studies in Nilit. Okay, and we also plan to study BCA courses, MCA courses. And as I said, for most of the courses, it is almost all the courses are free for SC and ST students. So this is free means C. Free means it is not that it doesn't have a value because it is free. Okay, it is free means government is spending money on these courses. Okay, it is public money, it is your money. Money that is being spent by the government is public money. So free means government, these are schemes being provided by the Government of India.
Activities, especially empowering women, uplifting the poor people, and also when it comes to education. Our organization, we are having also a school for the underprivileged. We have a very, the objective of our organization is to uplift the people from poverty and also to improve the quality of life through education. So we are very privileged that with the hard work of our president, she has went to the unit center in Shlem to meet the staff there. So we are very happy that the unit also is very positive with us. So they have consent to give this special program, because as we know that this program, if you have to go for a regular course, you have to spend at least more than 12,000 per course. So unless this is the opportunity for all of you, especially the students. You know, we live in this generation where the formal education or the regular education is not enough for us to acquire a job or to get ourselves involved in any activities. You know, apart from our education, we also need to improve ourselves, especially to upskill ourselves in the different expertise. So this is maybe the right opportunity for all of us, especially for you, the students, to take this opportunity so that this will really help you in the future.
Like your computer education or any other education that you have, at the end it should serve a purpose. And the purpose of education is actually not for ourselves, but for others. We are all here. We can say that we are educated in a way or the other, but the education that we have, it's not just for us, but it is for the betterment of the society. So I would like to encourage each one of you who are here to take up this course, to really have this determination in you. What after the 2 months course? How will it benefit you first? And how will your knowledge will benefit others? So we need to have a kind of a focus and a determination. I always say, like, you might have a passion to learn computer, but passion by itself is not enough, right? Passion should always be followed by determination. Macam doong bakwa, doong bakwa dia biang re, habakwa terecitam, right? So not all of you, around I think 90 of them enrolled, right? Around 90 of you enrolled, but unless all 90 of you are really determined. Say right from the beginning of the course is that you stay focused, give your best, you compete with yourself, right? It might be difficult in the beginning, but it is not impossible. And I'm also very happy that as the days are going, we see like many students are coming up to learn new things. And I'm also very happy that we have Miss who's going to teach us. She is one among us, right? She is from Wanrah. So if she can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If father can do it, you can do it. If all of us can do it, you can do it. So it's all up to you, right? To give your best. And as we know, like this course is for free, right? So instead of going all the way to Shillong or to Nongpo or to Guwahati to learn computer, this opportunity is knocking at your own doorstep. So it is you who should make use of this opportunity to the fullest. So I wish you the best, and I do hope that when you come, as we already know, like you need to have a minimum attendance of around 75%, right? You know that, right? So that means you have to be very regular.
The class in system nangabatan long di mentoy na tertajuk. But kita bankuman nama kene free, mo? Nela saya ba free of iklam sengkor tu. Andre ba pila ilo. Kemudian system dari jingai sih jumlah. Kadang-kadang kita jom Rawa mana, apa kita siang ni disebut kau datang pelang, betul pelang ni, no? So pelang mereka menerawai betulan mengeski barang kita itu arsi bertibun nomor laku lagi, mau laku lagi. Mereka semua maka jangan lupa juga kata, ni kuah apa kena orang nak hari hoji kan kira apa orang kira, ilasan berkira orang kira, celana mati ikna sama, ikna juga bermentati, kitya, boleh bah, kita tak boleh berlaku, tempat misalnya show di floor, nangnya datang pada hari hoji. So once again, thank you sir, one behind, Director Managing Shlem, thank you Pastor Precious people. And thank you Rawa, and thank you members of our educational